Okay, this is an unboxing of a Chinese 7-inch touchscreen radio. They're the ones that go anywhere between $30 and $40. This is the instruction booklet. It's not too bad. Pretty simple. Gives you the layout of the pinouts for the speakers. You have the AVN over here, which is pretty nice. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Put the packaging in here. This one I paid $32 for. I think I could have got it for about $30, but I have an extra controller. The one is for the steering wheel, but I'm not going to use it on the steering wheel. This is actually going in an RV, and I guess it's nice to have a spare remote. This is the primary remote, and with the remote you have the wiring harness. So the red, one with the red wires and black wires and stuff like that. Right off the bat, you know that's for power, accessories, etc. And these are going to be the speaker wires in pairs. It's made pretty nice. This is a 723B as a DVR in. I guess the DVR in might be this over here. It's kind of crude the way these things are cut out. They're not too bad though. I mean, it's all plastic. This is definitely not steel at all or aluminum. Make it seem like this is a cooling fin, but it's definitely not a cooling fin. Seems like it's pretty good. This is going to get installed inside an RV, and wood is going to be around it. And it doesn't come I don't think they ever come with anything that you can use for mounting. It does have threaded holes, but nothing for mounting. Okay, the radio is installed. These are the speaker wires, and that is the power. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Here is the remote. Let's turn the power on, see what this thing looks like. Let's check out the menu button. Everything seems to be working pretty fine. Let me just put on the FM for a second. Not bad. Actually sounds better than the existing unit. The existing unit, reason why the hole is so big is because that used to fit in it. And this one is an Elite. And it's basically garbage. It really doesn't weigh that much. And the only feature that has over this one is that one has a DVD, the old one. And that's really not a great feature nowadays. This one has the TF card. That one does have an SD card, the old one. But you have the auxiliary port where that one doesn't have one on the outside. And also, this one has Bluetooth. So, I mean, this is a pretty big speakerphone because I'm using all the speakers in this RV. Give you a quick tour of it. There's the bedroom. Oh, then I also added this too, which is pretty cool. I'll show you this thing. Turn it on for you. And that is a fireplace. And then you could also add heat if you want. Well, actually not add heat, it has heat. You gotta put it on. And it works pretty well. And it looks awesome. And this radio is going to get mounted. I'm going to have to change out either this piece or this piece. I don't know which one I'm going to do yet. And I'll put it up as high as I can get it because of the heater below. Anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching.